Hello guys. So we'll move to the next question. So this time the problem is like this. You throw an object with a velocity v and with an angle theta with respect to the horizontal axis. So these two informations are given. The maximum range is 30 meters and the height reached by the object is 15 meters. So these two informations are given. The question is, what are the values of v and theta? So meaning you need to find this initial velocity v and the theta such that the range should be 30 meters and the maximum height should be 15 meters. So how do you do this? So what I did is, here I have taken the initial speed as v and the angle as theta. So I can divide this vector into two perpendicular components. The horizontal would be v cos theta and the vertical is v sin theta. We know this how to do. Okay, so I'm going to use now s equal to ut plus half gt squared upward for the total journey. So meaning if you throw the ball this way, for the complete journey I'll use s equal to ut plus half gt squared. So if I use this one, upward direction, what is the total displacement? So it goes up, you can imagine like this, it goes up and come back to the same point. So the total displacement is 0, which is equal to the upward velocity component. Here we found v sin theta, and the total time taken for the complete journey, let me say big T, minus y minus sign, because we apply the equation upward but the gravity is downward, so I put a minus sign, half 10 into t squared. So this big T represents the time taken for the complete journey. So from here I can find t, I can take t as a common factor. I'll get v sin theta minus 210 mean here you will be having 5t, which is equal to 0. So I can say t equal to 0 or t equal to v sin theta by 5. So these are the two possible answers for the complete journey, time taken for the complete journey. So I can omit this one because this is our initial condition, okay, because this is the time that you are about to throw the ball. So for a complete journey the total time of flight is v sin theta by 5. So now let me use s equal to ut plus half gt squared in the horizontal direction. In the horizontal direction the distance traveled by the object is 30 meters. So that is 30, and remember we said there is no acceleration in the horizontal direction, so I can say this is actually 0. So this will vanish. So 30 is equal to, in the horizontal direction velocity component is v cos theta multiplied by the total time of flight is v sin theta by 5. So this is my first equation. You see, now we have in this equation we have v and theta. These two are two unknowns. So our task is to find the value for v and the value for theta. So I need to have another equation so that I can find the value for v and theta. So I'll take this formula, v squared is equal to u squared plus 2gs. I'll use upward. So if I use upward, the v squared is 0. So meaning at this position the final velocity would be 0. The initial would be v sin theta and we know the distance traveled by the object is 15 meters. So I'm going to use these quantities to find or to get another equation. So I'll use v square is equal to u square plus 2gs. So the final speed is 0 at the top of the projectile motion, and the u is, we said the initial speed is v squared sine square theta minus sine, because the gravity is downward, 2 into 10 into 15. Okay, 15 is the height. So from here I can obtain another equation. V squared is equal to sine square theta, which is equal to 300. This is my second equation. Now you see you have two equations with two unknowns, v and theta. So if I divide 2 by 1, okay, if you divide 2 by 1, so this side I will get v squared sine square theta over this quantity v squared sine theta cos theta, which is equal to 300 by, if you multiply 5 and 30 you will get 150. So from here you see I can cancel out v squared. Here you have sine squared, here 1 sine theta, so I can cancel out this. So I'll be having here tan theta is equal to 150, 300, you will get 2. So from here you will obtain the value for theta, which is equal to roughly 63.4 degree. So if you know the value for theta, simply you can take and substitute either in the equation 1 or 2. So here I substitute in 2. So v squared is equal to, from here I can say 150 divided by sine theta cos theta. So I just substitute these to the value for sine theta and cos theta. And if you simplify, you will get the velocity 19.36. So meaning what? Meaning you need to throw the ball at 63.4 degree and with a velocity of 19.34 meter per second with the initial speed, so that this ball will go a range of 30 meters and with a maximum height of 15 meters. I hope you understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video.